Hello mga kabayan! In celebration of 50th anniversary of Philippines and Saudi Arabia diplomatic ties or friendship, a show here in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia is organized for you and it's free. You will see there Morisette, Jake Cuenca, Brosas and Jericho Rosales, and now I'm going to teach you on how to avail this free admission because it's sponsored by STC PAY. So I'm going to teach you on how to install the app, how to fund your STC PAY, and how to send money to the Philippines. So stay tuned. And before that, if you are new in this channel, I'm Region and I love making video like this. So please consider to like, to subscribe. Thank you. So first of all, you need to open your Google Play for those who are using Android phone, and for those who are using iPhone and iPad, you open your Apple Store, Apple App Store. Then you type STC Pay. Then you click install. And after that, you'll wait for the download to finish. And after it finishes the download, it will automatically install the apps in your device. Yeah. And after finish installing the apps, you click open. After you open your STC app, you will see this in your screen. Then you just click get started. And after that, you need to enter your personal mobile number to receive a confirmation code from STC Pay. Then enter the confirmation code. After that, you need to enter your national ID or Ikama ID. Then after that, your birth date. Enter your STC Pay password. Re-enter your STC Pay password. And that's it. It's very easy. So now how do you put money in your account? You just click add money, then select the deposit method, and after that enter the amount that you want to put in your account. Then fill in your bank details, then click the deposit, and you're done. And the money will be reflected in your account. So to send money to Philippines, so you just click or press this international remittance. Then after that, press this send money now. Then enter your beneficiary name here. After that, select this relationship. So relatives and friends, or personal, household, business, or employee. So after that, select country or region. So Philippines. Then select this delivery option, if for cash pickup or direct to bank. So for cash pickup, like Western Union or other Kwarta Padala. For direct to bank, it's BDO, like here, bank name, you need to select here. So for example, you need to send to BDO, Banco de Oro. Then here you need to enter account number or the account number of your beneficiary. Then press or select continue. Then after that, for example, you will send 100 real. So here you already know how much is the exchange rate. So today is 1 real is equal to 13.3474708 peso. So if you want to include the fee, just press here. If you don't want to include the fee, then you press again. So for purpose of remittance, you just select for family or expatriate, travel expense, education, school fees, hospitalization, and medical treatment, or savings. So usually it's family support. Then please enter my referral code. You just press yes, and my referral code is Y5NBRB. So the code is Y5NBRB. Then you select this terms and condition. Okay, then press continue. Then you will receive this remittance confirmation. So if all the details is correct, then you press confirm. You will receive, then after that you will receive this transaction details. You will see if it's already, the status is already completed. So you will also receive if how much is the transfer charge. So currently the transfer charge for every transaction is 5 real. So that's all, guys. Just show this transaction details to the venue or to the gate before you enter the venue or the event, and they will allow you to go inside. If you don't have this transaction details from STC Pay, then you cannot enter at the gate. So thank you very much, and please subscribe, and please leave your comment if you have any questions. Thank you.